Who could that be? Roar! Oh my gosh! Ah! Dude, get over here right now, and also invite Bonnie. All right, dude. Dude, there's a dinosaur outside your house. Yeah, I know, dude. Dude, there's a dinosaur. Yeah, I know, dude. There's a dinosaur. Yeah, I know, guys. Ah! So what do you want to do today? I don't know, dude. I don't know what you want to do. I don't know what we want to do. Let's just go to sleep. That's a great idea. Sleepover, yeah. Yeah, dude. So who's gonna get the lights? I will. Dude, what was that, dude? Oh! Dun, dun, dun. Breaking and entering, police! Breaking and entering! Oh, get over here now! I was made for this job. Where is he? He's right, above me, but over there a little bit. Oh my God, the most dangerous criminal ever! Oh, you're going to the slammer with me, so come on. Yeah. Just get in there. Ugh. My job here is done. Whoop! Another day saved by Elephant Cop. Dun dun dun.